Discover this beautiful 5-bedroom home in Wythe Creek Farms, within the Tabb Schools district. The kitchen adorned with quartz countertops, gas cooking, and a French door refrigerator. The first floor unveils a luxurious primary bedroom with an ensuite bath, a generous tub, separate shower, double bowl vanity, and dual walk-in closets. Adjacent to the kitchen, a delightful 3-season room adds charm. Family room features a cozy fireplace with lots of natural light from the many windows. 4 additional bedrooms, 2 with direct access to a full bathroom. A versatile second-floor room provides an ideal space for an office or storage. A first-floor laundry room boasts a newer washer and dryer that convey. The 2-car garage, featuring a new insulated garage door. Step outside to a private, fenced backyard. Bordered by serene woods, featuring a deck and paved patio. The neighborhood playground adds value to the home. Easy access to Interstate 64, NASA, military installations, and shopping.